Would you rather always feel like you're about to sneeze but never do,
Mhm.
or always feel like you have a single hair stuck in your eye?
I feel like we've asked a really similar one because I've got deja vu
Oh,
on you saying
maybe.
that first line, but definitely
This is a hard one.
having a hair in your eye is not fun.
Nearly sneezing and not sneezing is
No.
not fun either.
These animals, they're animals. I think I would rather.
I've got an answer.
You go.
I would rather a sneeze. I sneezed earlier, and there's a bit of a sneeze that's enjoyable. Like the feeling that I'm about to sneeze, you're like, oh, this is kind of nice, but it's annoying, but it's kind of nice. Hair in the eye, terrible. This is annoying. So I would prefer the sneeze.